I really didn't know too much about the whole vacation rental industry before we bought this property. And like I said, I really was looking to not manage it myself, but even if you have somebody else manage it, I mean, you want to be knowledgeable enough to know, are they charging the right price? Right. So I would do my own surveying of properties in the area to find out, is it competitive? And also look at the calendars, right? Because you can see calendars for the other competing properties around you. So like, where's their rates, how often are they booked? And so even before I started managing myself, I would pay attention to these things because I would have to tell the property management company yay or nay on what they were proposing to charge for nightly rates, for example. It's now 6 bedrooms and 6 baths. And so I actually have 6 different configurations that I can lease this property on. That's 6 listings on Airbnb. That's 6 listings on VRBO.
I have some pretty good people, and I get to do the windows once a week, a lot of windows, and we figured it all out over the years. And so we still complain, but it's a pretty well-oiled machine that seems to work out okay, and we seem to get everything done by the time that the old guests are gone and the new guests get here.
And the reality of it is we could hire more people to do some of these things. Like he doesn't have to do the windows, and he's kind of stubborn in that way. With COVID, obviously, I mean, we had nobody here from our last guest checked out on March 20th, and we had no one until the beginning of October. We're looking at finishing the house. We are almost done with our apartment, and then we're just getting bids for solar right now for the solar panels on the roof. We're going to put a pergola up there with another dipping pool. We've got 360 degree of the entire island. This little house that we purchased for $475,000 in 2016 will probably go on the market somewhere close to $2 million. Wow. With all the improvements. So it's property values have gone up dramatically. And then, of course, the value of it being a going concern business has really added a lot to it.